Well, the thing I said to Mark today, and we'll probably talk about this more on Friday when he comes down. The thing that the treasury heads don't get is that while they're obsessing about once MSTR makes it onto the S&P 500 and the passive flows start and the capital income, the capital inflows start to really accelerate, this is going to become the new meta. Everyone's going to know that Bitcoin treasuries are the new meta. And this is what you need to do as a company to be successful. This is where things are going. It's where the puck is headed, blah, blah, blah. Meanwhile, what I think they don't get or are missing or are undervaluing or under-indexing for is that once MSTR is on the S&P 500, all those other little companies, Semler, Metaplanet, whatever, they're all dead. They're probably dead already, to be honest with you, but they're dead for sure once MSTR hits the S&P, because they will outpace every other treasury company even more than they already are. And those little companies will just die off unless they have an underlying business. And Semler had one. They're selling medical equipment or something of that nature. And now the plan is to unwind it and just acquire Bitcoin. Like I cannot stress enough that people who are leaving their jobs to work at these companies, that are like going all in on early investments, I think this is, unless you're in MSTR, I think it's a mistake. And even MSTR is carrying more risk than normal, I believe. So to me, it's like just, it's a misallocation of, it's a misweighting, honestly, of what's important in a stock ticker. It's not just the Bitcoin yield. No one cares about that. It's a fake number. You need a business. And MSTR, is their business the key thing? It's not anymore, but they're doing some innovative stuff with treasuries, or sorry, with bonds and debt and different capital structures. Even then, like, is that a business? I mean, time will tell. But if it is, it doesn't mean these other companies are going to be successful. It means MSTR is going to be successful. And if it isn't, then these other companies are going to fail and MSTR is going to fail. I don't understand where the enthusiasm for these penny stocks came from. And you're seeing that, by the way, in the price action on these stocks. That's undeniable at this point.